In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a savings goal in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, one of the easiest ways to track a savings goal is by creating a custom category. Go to the spending section and create a category based on your goal, like vacation fund or emergency fund. Every time you transfer money into savings, tag that transaction with this category. When you spend from it, use the same category so everything stays grouped and easy to track. Another method is adding a manual account as a savings bucket. Click the plus button at the top right, then add a manual account. Name it based on your goal, like New Car Fund, and enter the amount you've saved so far. As you continue saving, update the balance manually. This way, you can clearly see your progress in your net worth and cash view over time. Using these simple methods, you can stay organized and track any savings goal effectively inside Origin. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.